Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you how to register on the OKX Exchange. Click on Sign Up. In this section, you enter your country of residence, you confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and then click Next. In the next step, you can register in two ways. You can either enter your email address, and if you have a referral code, enter it in this sectioner. Link your account to Google, Apple, Telegram, or your OKX wallet. We enter our email address and click on Sign Up. A code will be sent to your email to verify your account. You log into your email, select OKX, copy the code you received, and enter it in this section. In the next step, you enter your mobile phone number and click on Verify Now. A code will be sent to your mobile phone number. Copy the code sent to your mobile phone and enter it in this section. Then click Next. In the next step, you set a password for your account. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, click Next. In the next section, you need to set up security for your account. Click on Create Now and connect your account to Google or Windows Hello. After setting up security for your account, you will enter the dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.